belligerent BJP MP Ram Jethmalani today challenged the party, saying no one has the courage to expel him. Mr. Jethmalani, who spoke out publicly against party president Nitin Gadkari, isn't the only rebel the BJP has to deal with, but they seem to have sent out a very strong signal this evening. They have suspended Mr. Jethmalani, saying that Nitin Gadkari has taken the decision and that if there are any decisions on his expulsion, that will be taken up tomorrow at the party's parliamentary board meeting.
श्री राम जेठमलानी जी को की सदस्यता निलंबित कर दी है। श्री राम जेठमलानी जी को भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री नितिन गडकरी जी ने तत्काल प्रभाव से निलंबित कर दिया है तथा उनके निष्कासन की प्रक्रिया को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड को रेफर कर दिया है।
सुनो, मेरे ऊपर कार्रवाई होगी तो मैं वेलकम करूंगा, मगर मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसमें भी हिम्मत है इतनी कि मेरे ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगा।
रंजीत सिन्हा सबसे सीनियर मोस्ट आईपीएस ऑफिसर है, 1974 बैच के आईपीएस ऑफिसर हैं। तो मैं समझता हूं उनका चयन, उनका सिलेक्शन, उनको बतौर निर्देशक के तौर पे सीबीआई में उतारना बिल्कुल भारत सरकार ने फेयर और ट्रांसपेरेंट मैनर में काम किया।
More proof there of the BJP's rebel headache. Shatrughan Sinha backing what Ram Jethmalani is saying, going against the party line there on the CBI director's appointment. Our political editor Rahul Srivastav is with us. Rahul, we saw a very sort of confident, perhaps overconfident Ram Jethmalani earlier in the day, saying that nobody, it seems, in the party has any guts to take action against him. But a few hours later, he was proved wrong.
Yes, Natasha. Basically, the party was debating whether to go and act against him quickly. You see, generally there is a procedure within the party that the issue is referred to the disciplinary committee. The disciplinary committee finally gives a set of recommendations, which eventually the parliamentary board decides. But this time around, what has happened is that because the BJP was today a divided force, because there was a large section in the party which wanted that action should be initiated not only against Ram Jethmalani, but against Yashwant Sinha and also Shatrughan Sinha. Because if you look at what Mr. Shatrughan Sinha has said, he has not only taken on the party decisions vis-a-vis the two leaders of opposition writing to the Prime Minister on the issue of appointment of the CBI director, but has also said that Mr. L.K. Advani is a suitable Prime Ministerial choice. Right. Yashwant Sinha is also one of the contenders. Perhaps the BJP realized that the rot was spreading, and perhaps to ensure that there should be a quick warning to all who are staging a rebellion or speaking out against the party president who goes on a tour of campaigning in Gujarat from tomorrow, there should be action so that there should be some amount of silence. Perhaps that's why the BJP rose over the divide in the party and decided to act against Mr. Jethmalani first, and then perhaps keep Mr. Yashwant Sinha and Shatrughan Sinha's case in abeyance for a while.
Right, of course, a strong message there going out to other rebels and those who might have similar ideas. But the problem, of course, for the party running very deep.
Yes, Natasha, this kind of firing is between various factions is not that some factions are fighting each other. There is a serious divide within the party. After charges against Mr. Nitin Gadkari were brought out by NDTV, perhaps the faction which was always against Mr. Nitin Gadkari and the RSS control over the BJP via Mr. Nitin Gadkari has perhaps decided this is the time to act. Right. What is happening right now, that there is a faction which wants the RSS to stay in control. The other faction wants the RSS to be kept at bay, and these two factions are clashing. And Jethmalani's, Yashwant Sinha, Shatrughan Sinha are perhaps symptoms, but the illness is deeper, and perhaps we'll need a much more wider cure.
Right, and is that cure going to come sooner? The headache's just going to mount? Well, that's the big question. Rahul, thanks very much for joining us with all those details there.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.